Hello friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Yarnaby from Poppy Playtime. So first we're going to get started with the head. So in the center, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. In the center now, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down towards the bottom of our page. Now for the eyes on either side, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. Just lining that up at the same height. Now on the inside for the pupil, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle for the highlight. And then now we're just going to color in the pupils black. Now moving underneath for the mouth, on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way over and then back up on the right. Now for the teeth, on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a triangle. We're going to move over on the right, replicating that. And then again, one more time as we come over on the side. Now let's draw in the mane as we come around. So coming underneath, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes out on both sides. Moving across. Let's replicate that. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Coming across, we're going to curve this line down, extending that further down. And then on the inside, ending that at the same height. On the bottom, drawing in a curved line again. In the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on both sides, and then closing that off with another curved line. Let's step further out now, curving this line across towards the side. From that point, curving this line back in. Extending this further up, curving this line out again. Underneath, curving a small line that comes out, ending that at the same height. And then again, just curving this line back up towards the top. As we come over towards the side, we're going to curve this line down and out. Again, on the bottom, bringing that line out again. And then we're just going to curve this line up. Let's step further in now, curving this line down. And then on the side, just curving this line in towards the side. Stepping further up again, curving this line across. And then now from here, just bringing this line out, ending that at the same height. And then closing this off again as we come up towards the top. Now let's move in towards the middle. We're going to curve this line over and out on the top. Moving underneath, replicating that, ending that at the same height. And then again, we're just going to close this off with another curved line on the side. In the middle, moving on the left, we're going to curve this line out and then down. And then on the left, curving this line across and then back down again. Coming over now, we're going to arch this line out and down. And then moving underneath, we're just going to curve this line over and across, again, ending that at the same height. Now again, drawing in a curved line to close that off. Moving down one more time, curving this line over. And then again on the top, bringing this line out. And then on the side, drawing in another curved line. And then moving in towards the middle, just drawing in that line coming up. Now in each rectangular space, we're going to come in and draw in those curved lines. So we're just going to curve these lines out. And we're just going to leave an even amount of space as we come into each one, replicating that. And we're just going to follow the pattern of how it curves. Now coming up, we're going to curve these lines out again. Now that we've drawn in the mane that comes around the face, we're going to draw in the legs. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes down on both sides. From that point, arching this line down. Stepping beside this, curving this line down again. And then again, one more time, moving across, replicating that. Now from that corner, we're going to curve this line over towards the inside. And now for each of the claws, we're just going to curve this line over and across as we come out on the side. In the middle, we're going to draw in a small curved line. And then closing off the front arm, we're just going to arch this line up. Now let's draw in the back leg. So we're going to come out, curving this line in on both sides. And then for the claw, we're just going to curve this line out and then in. Moving behind that, curving this line back up. And that is it. That's how you draw Yarnaby from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.